Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to attack another server in Last War. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is check your base level. So cross-server attacks are usually unlocked after your base reaches a certain level. Early on, restricted to battles inside your own server. And look for cross-server events. So if we go ahead and click on the events tab here, we can scroll through all the different type of events. So attacking another server isn't always open. You can only do it in special events like server versus server war. This is called SVS. Cross server kill event, Warzone conquest invasions, and watch the events tab or in-game announcements for when those are going to be active. So just keep an eye out inside of your events tabs here. And now once you do enter the cross server map, so when the event starts, you'll see an enter button or a portal on the world map. Tap it to switch to the target server's map. And then from here, find enemy bases or resource points. So once inside the enemy server, you can attack enemy bases directly, attack resource tiles to kill gathering troops, or join rallies with your alliance against enemy HQs. Now always remember to scout the enemy base before attacking. This lets you see their troop count, defense setup, and whether it's worth the risk